his age. The 23-year-old guy took a hike. He said, that's it. And you know what the problem was? She tried to install a senior grab bar on him. And he said, I don't need to take this. The kid got tired of people coming up to him singing, when did Madonna adopt you? You can see how he got tired of that. I can see it. Ladies and gentlemen, a landmark from the world of sports just across the river in New Jersey earlier today was demolished. Giant Stadium. They blew up Giant Stadium, so it's, no longer there. The team, of course, imploded months ago. But that's a whole different question, so I wouldn't worry about that. Now,
Hi. Do you want to enter the office Super Bowl pool? It's only $10 for a square on the grid.
I kind of do want to get in on this. Any square?
Yeah, any square.
That one right there. $10?
Yeah.
There you are.
Great, and what's your name?
Dave.
Okay, good luck, Dave.
Thanks. I've never been more popular.
Yeah.
You folks excited about the Super Bowl coming up Sunday? Forget about it. My Indianapolis Colts and the New Orleans Saints fans, well, I'm telling you, they have waited a long, long time for their team to get into the Super Bowl. Yeah. Not as long as they waited for FEMA, but still, it's been a very long, long time. I'm very excited. I will be featured in a Super Bowl commercial. Thank you very much. Thank you. Look for me as a fly fisherman in the Flomax gang. President Obama's having a big Super Bowl party, and you know what he's doing? This guy is shrewd, very savvy politically. He's invited a bunch of Republican senators and other senators to come to the White House for the Super Bowl party. And George Bush said, hey, Barack, you get enough guys there, Republican, my old buddies, I'll come by and choke on a pretzel. But that's a... no, please. But think about what could be more fun than watching a 4-hour football game with Joe Lieberman. There you go. That's talk about rock and roll. And John McCain will be there. You know John McCain. Why didn't they put in George Blanda? Hey, where's Chuck Bednarik? What's the matter? What happened to Johnny Unitas, for God's sakes? What happened to Y.A. Tittle? All right, let's go to the second card. How about Dave Pirelli? What's the matter with him? Hey, where's Sid Luckman when you need him? Okay, that's plenty, Tony. Thank you. Thank you. There's a new Osama bin Laden video. Well, gosh, I mean, this guy's, what is he doing? Working at Blockbuster? Apparently. There's always a new Osama bin Laden video, and this one he's worried about the global warming. Worried about global warming. Right. Yeah, Osama bin Laden. Yeah. Very conscientious fellow. Oh. And he's blaming the United States for global warming. And I just thought to myself, well, wait a minute. If this guy thinks it's warm now, wait till he gets to hell. For God's sake. Why do they put an Arch Schleister? Wow. Fran Tarkenton, where's Fran? Yeah, I don't know if you know about this or not, but they had fill the seat vacated by the longtime Massachusetts Senator Ted Kennedy. So they had a thing, and they elected a guy. And it turns out that the guy they elected, Scott Brown, his background is a former go-go boy and nude model. And he has been sworn in as the senator from Massachusetts, and today was his first vote. It's a big day for any senator, but today, Scott Brown's first vote down in Washington. We have some videotape. Take a look.
Ms. Boxer of California. Ms. Boxer votes yes. Mr. Brown of Massachusetts. Mr. Brown votes no. Mr. Brown, would you kindly put your pants back on? Mr. Schumer of New York. Mr. Schumer votes yes. Mr. Schumer, would you kindly put your pants back on? Mr. Runneback of Kansas. Mr. Runneback.
On the program tonight, the Academy Award winner, Jamie Foxx. We'll be right back, everybody. It's Brown's first day in the Senate. And Jamie Foxx. Did you know Jamie Foxx is a triple threat? Acting, singing, and preparing Sesame Seven.